Ka Ministry of Ayush jong kan Neiah kala penbena basyan kan sapenlong ya ka 10th Ayurveda Day celebration arhajar arpusan ka banlong ha ka arpulai tarik nailur ha Neiah hospital. Habapan pau syakilat pathai Khubor ha ka arpu ar tarik nailur ka Dr. Verity Markhab kalau ong ba ha ka jing Rakhe ya ka 10th Ayurveda ka Institute kalabu ya ka mat Ayurveda for People and Planet kabaya day bat kibriu shitelup ka prathai ban penpriang ya ka jing sumar ka Ayush. Nalor kata kalau ong ru ba ke institute keladap ban wan haki santri Kishnong bat ban ai ka jingerap ya ka kwat ka khia bat kumba san spangut kila yo jing sumar lengba jongki.
Hakabani kong na ai kuble phi ki pai ba nong shong shong jonga tala ba jongi bat kumjo igila pathai Khubor. Na kaniya ni snong kumen ban berbenai ka jing Rakhe ka jongi ya ka 10th Ayurveda Day celebration arja pesan ya ka bangila ban pelong ha kabal arpulai tarik September arja pesan kata beri lasha di niwan ko katup jong ke Ministry of Ayush ni ka sarkar kami ka bari pet ya ka institute ke jongi di hakani ka senam labu kenang ya ka mat ba ka Ayurveda is for people and planet ka bamut ka Ayurveda namta kibriu ka perthai sitelu di hakabai ni bakani ka mat pedang balabu Ngila penong iki program ki prepare da kabang ya penong iki medical camp ha Shillong sandali Shillong baladon ko san spa ngot ki nang pang ki balawan e kabanyo e kajing sumar bat ngila la ko ban penong iki program ha college ka jangi ha kaba ki hybrid ki bawan ki school ki prepare na penong iki jing dro bat kumjuru ya ki jing hikai ya ki bala ai da ki faculties jong ka Ayurveda college ki bala le ki college kum ha ka NEHU Shillong IHM ICAR umyam Hakaba kajing hikai kalawan ra ia ka ban jing pensha shu shpang ka ni ka tanak jing sumar ka jongi ka ta shpang ka Ayurveda bat kumjo ru hakaba ya so lang bat ka state government ngilala ban pelong ya ka arogya fair hakaba ki doctor ki prepare ki baha ko ka tanat ayush ka la ban man ban shimbenta bat hakaba ya so bat ka office jong lat jong ka jalla lala ban pelong ya ka run for Ayurveda marathon hakaba Kinong mare kilawan nakaleng jong kajalai ka ban mare ban shimbenta bat ka jing jong ro kalawan biar kita ki balai wan shimbenta na shabat bat kalong ka jing kman ka kraw ini kum ka institute ban yo ban pentep ka kinong jong ka diga marathon kim Samla dei tan ne ya regla dei ki balai wan shimbenta na shabat bat kum juru ni lala ban penlong ya ki program ki ba bun ha ka college ka jongi but ka long ro ka jingkar pat ki pat ba ka sing ka wala shai kata arpus lai tarik September aja pesan ngin la ban pelong ka Ayurveda Day celebration akaba health minister badan buram W Shillong long ku iwai na kongsan ban man shimbentalan ti ka long ka jingkar pat ki ba ro nong shoshnang jo kani ka jala bagi la pathai Khubor ba ni wan shimbenta ban yasno tilam bat ni hot ka Ayurveda un ni ngim da tip bahas pangkani ka lat ajing sumar kalau kau ini ke lat kajing sumar ke bala slam ba ke bas slam bahandai ba jang kari India ke bala mi ke basan haja sene menshwa ngim ai tang ne ki dawai habangi tmu ban ajing sumar henregi la mi bu e pathong tum ne ban ajing ka shpang lat ajing ya da ha ka em ka yang kum do bangin la ban kyar na ki jing bam ki bala ban pen wan ra e kinu ki jing pen jur shu ki jing pang shang ki bangila don rupa ba kum juru ni dan ne kata ka lifestyle modification la ne ka kum ka jing pen kala jaga mari yang kum do bangin la bat ban pen kala ya ka kom em ka kom yang ka jongi kum bangin te ka ni ka perthai man usnam khat we million ki pat ba brio ki Club no nakadaw jong ki NCDs la ni kita non communicable disease kum ka diabetes, mellitus, ka cancer, ka stroke, heart disease kum kita ter ikalong siya ka ba kong san ni bangin la ban tip shu hangga kwat ka khya ka jongi kum no bangin ang la ban kyar na kita ban pikir ha ka rukom im rukom bam ka jongi ha ni ka bithe ti ka Ayurveda ka wanra ai kini ki rukom ai jing sumar baru ha ka institute ka jongi ni penlong bagi bu ikathom ba habau pu ki nong pang ki wan shingi ngim ai tang ke jing sumare ki leng ba ki dawai hedeng ida ai sha ke jing hikai ki kumno ba kin la pat ban kiar ne kita ki jing bam ne ka rukom im ka jong ki ba kin lat ban yo banan penjo shu e kunu ka jing pang ka ba ki la don lupa ti ha ka ba khadu sa chi sian nga ai ka jing karpat ya phi baro ba phin yawan dala di sha Neiah hospital ba phin ma ni dala di ya ka ni rukom ai jing sumar ka jongi But umshibenta na kadi kajing Rakhe kajungi yaga Ayurveda Day celebration. But pinyawan don ktilang but was not ktilang but ni nam tak ni ka program ka bangin pelong rashan. Bless you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I myself, Dr. Khubor, who has been looking after the event of this 10th Ayurveda Day. We have conducted a series of events as a part of the celebration of this Ayurveda Day. As most of you are aware that Ayurveda, which has been enrooted with nature, so the Government of India, Ministry of Health especially, has a target to reach to the common people of India by doing different kinds of activities. And Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, which is situated at Maudian, is also not lagging behind. So as you are aware about the kind of facilities which we are providing for the healthcare system also, apart from that also we have conducted a number of society outreach activities. As I was mentioning, actually what happens generally every month we conduct at least 2 health camps in different parts of Meghalaya. So during this part of celebration of Ayurveda Day, we have conducted 5 camps, health camps, where there are almost 500 beneficiaries who got different varieties of treatment, some free blood tests and some free medicines also. At the same time, as Sir was also mentioning, that we have conducted one run for Ayurveda, and you'll be happy to know that almost 300 participants from different walks of life, they have participated, not only the students of Neiah, but even we could register the runner from Nongpo also. And luckily, what I could say, there are 10 prizes, and all the 10 prizes backed by the other people only, not from the Neiah. So it's a matter of great joy for us that people have come, they have participated, and they won prizes also. And we are felicitating them on tomorrow's event, as Sir was mentioning, which will be graced by the Honorable Health Minister of Meghalaya. Thirdly, as you have been seen that 3-4 days back, Government of Meghalaya in association with Neiah hold a program called Arogya Fair, which was graced by different scholars of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, apart from the different administrative people of Government of Meghalaya also. There are also different kinds of lectures where there are lot of participants were there. We also conducted 2 health camps, so almost 100 number of people also got benefited with that OPD which was set there in the State Convention Center. Apart from that, we also have conducted some institutional activities where we went to different institutions like Northeast NIFT, National Institute of Fashion Technology, IHM, and then we also have been to Northeastern Police Academy, which is located at Umiam. We have been to different other schools and colleges also, where there are lot of talks happen, because we have conducted some health awareness talks related to Ayurveda. Because what we have observed that people, although they know about Ayurveda, but they hardly know in depth. So we try to give some kinds of like it's beginners course kind of thing, so that people will be aware, so that they should come to our hospital. Generally, we do not want to invite any healthy people to hospital, but since people are suffering, and nowadays you could see a good number of patients are suffering from disorders like arthritis, some chronic problems like chronic gastritis, IBS, some skin disease like psoriasis, skin allergy, bronchial asthma, and so many lifestyle related disorders. And what we have observed in our hospital, that a good number of patients, those who are taking the conventional system of medicine also, they could not control. So what did what did we see? Like once they started taking the Ayurvedic treatment, their quality of life has been improved. We have seen patients who are taking insulin also, now they have gone back to the oral hypoglycemic agents. So what I am trying to say through this platform to all the people of not only the Shillong or Meghalaya, to all people of Northeastern India, that this is the Neiah is one of the best hospitals where you can avail the best Ayurvedic treatment. Secondly, as so many people are saying that Ayurveda is a system of alternative medicine. It's not true. It's a system of complementary medicine. As you know, in this era of disease, no system is perfect, so we have to complement each other. I am not saying that system is good, that system is bad. So we have to take care of all the systems. We have to go to Negrians also, we have to take the help of modern medicine also. At the same time, we also have to know the benefits of Ayurveda. If we go together, then only we can achieve the target of reaching a health which is stated and which is the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji also. And as sir has mentioned different series of activities, I will not lengthening these things, but just through your platform I am requesting to each and everyone to visit NEHU and see what kind of facilities we are having. Apart from the health checkup facilities, OPD and IPD, we have a special detox therapy which is known as Panchakarma. Secondly, we also have a yoga park which was recently been introduced, so you can come and do yoga also. Thirdly, we have a central lab where we can provide a good number of blood tests like normal blood test, and then some hormonal test, and so many things are there. Vitamin D and other things are also there. We also have one yoga specialist. So if you do not want to take medicine also, what you can do, you can take the benefit of our yoga specialist. We also have a physiotherapy unit. So as a whole, what I am trying to say is you just visit NEHU and see and just check what kind of treatment we are offering, because we want people to get benefited with the initiative of the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. Thank you so much.